Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Ready to take the headache out of tracking your cryptocurrency portfolio and filing those pesky taxes? Then listen up, because I've got something that's about to make your crypto life a whole lot easier. Click the link in the description below, and let's dive into the magic of coin tracking. Coin tracking is like your personal assistant for everything crypto. Imagine never having to touch another spreadsheet or worry about exchange rates again. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. With coin tracking, you get automated transaction imports, interactive performance charts, and tax reports for multiple countries. That's right, folks. Say goodbye to those long nights of manually entering data. Coin tracking's got you covered. But wait, there's more. Let's talk pricing. Coin tracking offers tiered plans to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're a casual trader or a full-blown crypto whale, there's a plan for you. Let's break it down. First up, the free plan. Yep, you heard me right. For those of you just getting started, this plan lets you track up to 200 transactions, perfect for dipping your toes in the crypto waters. Next, we have the Pro plan. For just a few bucks a month, you can track up to 3,500 transactions and access advanced features like tax reports and portfolio analysis. Ideal for those of you starting to get serious about your crypto game. Now, for the heavy hitters, there's the Expert plan. With this bad boy, you can track up to 20,000 transactions and get priority support. Think of it as VIP treatment for your crypto portfolio. And for the true pros out there, coin tracking offers the corporate plan. This one's for tax professionals managing multiple clients, unlimited transactions, advanced reporting, and top-notch support. Basically, everything you need to keep your clients happy and your sanity intact. But coin tracking isn't just about the numbers, it's about peace of mind. They're ISO IEEC 27001 certified for security and data integrity, so you know your info is safe. Plus, with integration to popular tax software like TaxAct and TurboTax, your tax season just got a whole lot smoother. And here's the cherry on top. By clicking the link below, you get a special discount on your coin tracking subscription. That's right, save some bucks while making your life easier. It's a win-win. So what are you waiting for? Click that link, grab your discount, and start simplifying your crypto life with coin tracking today. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching and happy trading.